Samsung will hold a Galaxy Unpacked event on February 25th next year in San Francisco, where it will debut the Galaxy S26 lineup. The Galaxy S26 lineup include the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to retain the same camera hardware as the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with the only change being the replacement of the 10MP telephoto sensor. The 3x telephoto camera is said to use a new 12MP Samsung S5K3 LD sensor. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will offer a 200MP Samsung HP2 main rear camera, a 50MP JN3 ultra-wide unit, and a 50MP Sony IMX854 periscope telephoto setup with 5x optical zoom. For selfies, the phone will use a 12MP Sony IMX874 sensor. The Galaxy S26 Ultra come with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. Comparison shots between the Galaxy S26 Ultra's screen protector and the Galaxy S25 Ultra's. The S26 Ultra will be more rounded than its predecessor. The iPhone 17 Pro Max still has the rounder corners, even compared to Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.